Hi, my name is Kunal Raj. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate C# and .NET Programming Lab exercise number 10. Title of the experiment is Advanced Web Design. In this video, we have to design a master page with tree view in the left side. Then we have to registration form from validation control using. We have to do validation using validation control like required and all. Then you have to do user control or custom control. So here in this website, here in this experiment, I'm making address book. So first of all, let us see the output here. So as you can see, this is the master page, and on the left side it is master page. The options are given in master page, and then we can have options like home, login, admin, students. So let us go to login admin. So as you can see here, login admin page is loaded. Now here, if I give admin email and password, so this is the admin page that is already designed, experiment number 9. And if we enter the data, all the data that we enter, and if we click register, the data will be registered here. So now if I click on student here, if I give any student register number, email and password, suppose if I give email, this and password, and if I give some wrong information, here it says invalid login. So if I give some right password, so if I give some right password here, it will be redirected to some other page. Like this is update page. Here if I give user control, so this is the user control. If I click submit here, calendar will open. From that calendar, if I click on any date, suppose if I click on 10th here, 10th of November 2017, so here this calendar will be transformed to the text box, and then it will be showed in this text box. So this was the output for experiment number 10. Now let us see the code here. So here first of all I have designed master page here. So this is the master page here. So master page is designed using tree view here. So first tree view. So tree view I am running at server using run at server, then using image set bullet list equal to 4, and then show expand collage false. Then I have here a hover node style font underline equal to true. Then using this tree node, I am having first node as home. So text is equal to home. So text means the text that you should display. Then I have navigate URL, to which page it will navigate. So it will navigate to the default. That means the default page, the main page that we have here. Then we have inside the tree node we have login. So inside login we are having two tree nodes here. That's why we are specifying this tree node is this tree node I am specifying as one. So inside tree node I am having as admin login and student login, which redirect to my login page. Then I have last as my user control. So user control will redirect to my calendar. So all these are target is equal to underscore blank. That means it will open in the same page. Then I have here division here. So as you can see here that div style equal to width equal to 40%. That means the master page will only take 40% of the page, whereas the rest content placeholder will take the 60% of the page, and it will float in the right position. And if we go and look at the coding of master page here, so this is the coding, this is all the default constructor that is loaded here. Now let us see web user control, which is the calendar. So web user control is having one calendar, and which runs at server, and on selection change it just calls selection function, which is specified here. Now if post back is not activated, then we'll just see calendar visible equal to false. That means until the button is clicked, we just have to check the criteria, check the visibility of calendar as false. If it is true, then you have to give false, otherwise you have to give it true. That means depend on the button click, we have to set the visibility of the calendar as true or false. Then we'll just in selection button we'll just say calendar dot selected date dot to short date string. It will extract the date from the calendar object here, and then it will set the date to the text box, and when it is done I'll just hide the calendar as calendar dot visible equal to false. And we are having the same pages like admin and edit form like we had in the previous experiment in this question. So as you can see here, I have the same experiment here. This is the same So this is the same design that we used in the last form. So it is the master page here on the left side and then admin on the right side, and we have our validation control. So if I click on any page here, and if I don't give any value, suppose this is my master page and then admin page, if I give register here, since nothing is given, it will give me validation control here. So thank you for watching the video.